Hi everyone, I am so excited to be able to share with you our latest treatment at Kosmo, the Kosmo OxyBrite. Everybody always asks me, what is the secret to celebrities' great skin? Because we do have a lot of celeb clientele at our clinics. Well, we can never share it really because everybody is entitled to their privacy. But I can tell you that it is hydration, it is skin tightening, and skin exfoliation on a regular basis, which is every 3 to 4 weeks. And today, we're able to launch the OxyBrite treatment at Kosmo, which takes 75 minutes and does all of this for you at one go. And all you have to do it is on a monthly basis to maintain that skin, keep it looking healthy, and keep it nice, hydrated, and tight, and look like $1,000,000 at all times. You can do it right before an event and look great. So for more details, call us on 7676 757575